Our Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has gone to the Supreme Court today to save herself, not for the people of Bengal. Where were you, Mamata Banerjee, when the chit fund cases happened, the scams happened, and thousands of people of Bengal, they lost their livelihood, they lost their lives, people committed suicide, families were devastated. Where were you, Mamata Banerjee? Where were you, Mamata Banerjee, when a few days back in Anandapur, 30 of our brothers were charred to death? We didn't even get their bodies. We got a few bones. You didn't get time to go to Anandapur and stand beside their families. And today, you have run to Supreme Court to save yourself, to stop SIR. Because this SIR, which is the 9th time happening in our country, which is a constitutional process, and happening in 12 other states, many of which are non-BJP states, you want to stop SIR because you know that your vote bank, the Rohingya Muslims, the Bangladeshi Muslim infiltrators, the dead voters, the duplicate and the shifted voters will be deleted. And you will face a problem, your party will face a problem. That's why today you have run to Supreme Court. And your party cadres are saying that today you are standing for the people of Bengal wearing that black coat. No, you are not wearing that black coat. You are not empaneled, among the advocates. By using our taxpayers' money, you have hired costly advocates who are going to, shout on your behalf. You're not going to stand. And whoever is the petitioner can be there. So you are there like any other petitioner. You are not going to wear that black coat like, your pictures are being, spread all across TMC IT, from the TMC IT department, that you are fighting for the people of Bengal. No, madam. You are not fighting for the people of Bengal. You are fighting for yourself. And today you have proved that you can go to any level to stand and support these Rohingya Musalman, these Bangladeshi infiltrators who have come to our country, who have come to West Bengal, and your party has provided them with all documents, Aadhaar card, voter card, PAN card, ration card, and made them citizens of our country. They are getting all other benefits, and we, the original people, the original citizens of the country, are not getting anything. But we will not allow that. You wait and watch till SIR is complete. SIR needs to be completed if election happens in Bengal. And if by 5th May 2026, 12 o'clock in the night, if the government is not formed, the new government, then 356 will be declared.